Say hi to the vlog. What are we doing today, Josh?
We're having Borg.
And what is that?
Borgy McBorg face.
Can you please explain what that means?
That means he has a lot of effort cleared him.
Cool. I think Josh will be the first to be knocked out today.
Girl, put your love on me, 'cause I won't let you down. I won't let you
Guess what we're
down.
doing?
We're rafting.
Yay!
On the American River.
And guess who's not carrying a raft? Why?
Because she's lazy.
No.
Got some blood.
She's struggling.
Put your love on me, 'cause I won't let you down. I won't let you down. We'll be singing. Girl, put your love on me. I feel it all around. I feel it all around. We'll be singing.
How's it going?
We'll be singing. We'll be singing. Girl, put your love on me, 'cause I won't let you down. I won't let you down. We'll be singing. Girl, put your love on me. I feel it all around. I feel it all around. We'll be singing. We'll be singing.
We find ourselves at none other than a river. We are down by the river, season 3. Down by the river. And I would
What was
say
your experience?
this is one of the most riverful experiences I've ever had. I haven't been so wet, so
How
dry,
about you,
so hot, and
Link?
so
Tell
cold.
us some more about
What's
your
up,
first
guys?
time.
It's Dave and Link, and today we're reviewing season 3 of the river rafting down by the American
Okay.
River episode.
Yes.
Now we're out here by the American River, and we're having a great time, getting splashed. He's got these lush locks, the long hair.
Oh my
We're
god.
having a great time out
Man, we
here.
feeling so sexy out here.
How do you feel? How do you feel?
Man, I'm feeling so sexy out
That's
here.
right.
Put
that's
those guns
right,
away.
that's
So
Let's see those guns. Let's see those guns.
Sexy out. I feel
Boom,
so sexy.
pow, firepower.
All right, thank you for your
See you guys on the next one. Peace.